Investing in stocks can be a great way to build wealth over time. Here are some key points to get you started. Basics of stock investing. What is a stock? A stock represents a share in the ownership of a company. When you buy a stock, you become a part owner of that company. Types of stocks. Common stocks. These give shareholders voting rights but no guarantee of dividend payments. Preferred stocks. These provide no voting rights but typically offer fixed dividend payments. How to invest in stocks. Research and analysis. Fundamental analysis involves evaluating a company's financial health, including its earnings, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Technical analysis, on the other hand, focuses on analyzing statistical trends from trading activity, such as price movement and volume. Choosing a brokerage. Select a brokerage platform that suits your needs. Look for factors like fees, ease of use, and available research tools. Building a portfolio is an essential step in stock investing. Diversification is key. Spread your investments across different sectors to reduce risk. Also, understand your risk tolerance and invest accordingly. Higher risk can lead to higher rewards, but also higher potential losses. Now let's dive into strategies for stock investing. Long-term investing involves buying and holding stocks for an extended period, benefiting from the company's growth over time. Dividend investing focuses on stocks that pay regular dividends, providing a steady income stream. Growth investing involves putting your money into companies expected to grow at an above-average rate compared to other companies. Value investing is all about looking for undervalued stocks that are trading for less than their intrinsic value. Alright, let's talk about some of the risks and considerations you should be aware of. First up, market volatility. Stock prices can be highly volatile, and it's important to be prepared for fluctuations. This means you might see your investments go up and down quite a bit. Next, let's discuss economic factors. Economic conditions, interest rates, and geopolitical events can impact stock prices. These factors can create an unpredictable environment for your investments. So, let's talk about company performance. A company's performance, including its earnings reports and management decisions, can really affect its stock price. It's important to keep an eye on these factors when you're investing. Getting started. Education. Read books, take online courses, and follow financial news to stay informed. Start small. Begin with a small investment and gradually increase as you become more comfortable. Stay informed. Regularly review your portfolio and stay updated on market trends and company news.